Yeah, hi, I'm Rob Young, I'm a structural engineer, very long associated with the Institute of Steel Construction, and my role here was the structural engineer on this job. This hall, in fact, is built over the top of a mass block, so it sits on top of a concrete slab. So it's quite a good engineering challenge. And to keep it light, I feel the right solution here was to have open lattice structure and to use the tubes where possible to minimise the sharpness of the edges particularly. It's interesting here that we used a hot roll section on the top just to complete the curve which is reflected on the gable ends. And the other interesting thing, you always fiddle around with truss shapes, was to integrate the truss shape with the gable ends as well. So with the African theme that the architect was keen to get, it integrates a sort of chevron profile of the trusses, which is actually reflected into the gable itself, that is a bit unusual. I've never done that before, so that was quite a bit of fun. Now, technically, structurally, it's braced back on the structure for the seats themselves, so you're minimising a lot of the bracing. Using tubes, one can vary the wall thickness, which I've done on a few projects, to actually use the same size tube, so you have the same profile throughout, but you can accommodate the stresses by varying the thickness. So that's a great advantage of using tube. So here we've virtually two sizes of tubes in the whole project, but there is a big variation in wall thicknesses. So you get the overview of simplicity, but behind that you can use your structural gymnastics, if you like, to solve high stress problems. Some of their welds are inside the tubes, which you can't see, so there's a big advantage. People can't see the site, but it's a very congested school site. It's surrounded by trees. There's a swimming pool on the one side, there's a road on the other, there's a school building on the other. How do you erect something like that? That was probably the challenge. But using lightweight steel trusses and lightweight erection, cranage, it worked out very easily, in fact. It went up much easier than we thought. I'll always believe in using steel to create an aesthetic solution. Working with the architect, Neil Hazel, he's very imaginative. He comes with lots of different ideas on all directions, and working together we actually managed to get, I think, a really good looking building.